Hello everyone, please take a moment to sign this petition to help the Uyghurs accomplish their independent sovereignty. The United States should formally recognize Uyghurstan, East Turkestan as an occupied independent country, created on May 25, 2020. The peoples of Uyghurstan, East Turkestan declared independence twice as the East Turkestan Republic, 1933 to 1934 and 1944 to 1949 in the 20th century. In 1949, overthrown by the People's Republic of China. At the time of the Chinese occupation, Uyghurstan, East Turkestan possessed all the attributes of statehood under the international law, including a defined territory, military, and population, an independent government, and the ability to conduct domestic affairs and independent international relations. Therefore, we demand the United States should formally recognize Uyghurstan, East Turkestan as an occupied independent country. Sincerely, Uyghurstan Republican Party and East Turkestan Uyghurstan Independent Movement. Thank you.